what's going on, everybody? This is your boy James from Forte. As y'all can see, I'm up in the whip and I'm on the way to Thick Whip's house, and we about to put on some carbon, man. As y'all can see behind me, I got a bunch of stuff in the car. The car is kind of packed right now. Hopefully that glare isn't catching y'all too bad, but yeah, that's a bunch of carbon, man. So today we're putting on the Suvneer Carbon fiber side skirts, rear quarters, and diffuser, man. So they're all gonna be in performance style, so they're gonna have the little winglets. I know some people don't like the winglets, some people do. I really like it on my buddy's Slow Speed's car. It looks really good on the M4. I haven't seen too many on the M3, so we're gonna see how it looks on the M3 today. I know the carbon, the quality looks really, really good. I ceramiced everything last night, took it out the box, checked everything. We got everything, I got all the tools. Now we're gonna go ahead and go over that install today, all right? So let's go ahead and get to it. Let's get it. He got the cars all lined up for me, all nice. Look at them. Oh.
What's good? Welcome to the Thick Garage. What's up, y'all?
We're gonna install some carbon today.
This looks pretty good, doesn't it?
Ooh.
Oh yeah, we are.
Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that.
You already know. You already know. Yeah, let's throw this stuff on, man.
I'm in the Thick Garage right now. Got the boxes everywhere. We're getting ready. So, just to give a recap, we're replacing all this gloss black that's down here. It's gonna get replaced. This gloss black right here on this corner is getting replaced. This diffuser right here is getting replaced. So we're replacing all that, and then the car is going to be almost carbon complete, man. So we got almost everything we need done to the car at this point. It's going to look really good, man. It's like I said, if you're interested in any of these products that we're going to be using today, we're going to have everything linked down below. So let's go ahead and get to it. We're going to probably do the rear first, and we'll take it from there. All right, guys, so I wanted to interrupt my video real quick because you guys know I love carbon, right? So it was only natural for me to team up with Simply Carbon Fiber. Thank you, Simply Carbon Fiber, for being a sponsor of today's video. Without sponsors like this, my channel wouldn't be where it is right now. So I'm gonna talk to you about two products that they carry. One is gonna be this wallet. So you guys can see this wallet right here. It is nice, it's small, fits in any pocket, and it also holds all your bills. So if you still carry cash around, you can carry some cash around, put it in the back, cards, all in one simple wallet, as you see right here. So it looks really good, it's stylish, and it's carbon fiber. So it matches all the carbon fiber in your car and your BMWs, definitely. So they also make phone cases. So I also have this phone case right here, carbon fiber, full color carbon fiber, as you guys can see right there. Looks really good, fit and finish is really good. So if you're interested in any of these, they will be linked down below. Use my code JF10 to save 10% on any order. Anything you put in your cart, save 10%. Use that code and we're good to go. All right, so thank you to Simply Carbon Fiber for sponsoring today's video. And now let's get back to the install. All right, everyone, so you can see this is the diffuser. So we're gonna be doing this first. And as you guys can see, carbon looks really, really good. And that is gonna be replacing this gloss black piece that's stock. So it's just some tabs underneath, and we're gonna be showing you guys exactly how to install everything. All right, so let's go ahead and get to it. All right, everyone, so if you look at the diffusers, take a step back and look at it. There's gonna be a little plastic tab here, one here. You got another one that's gonna be like right here, another one right here. And once you get those tabs out, you're gonna have to pull to get this off. So there's some tabs. There's like, I think 4 or 5 tabs up here at the very top of this. You gotta have to give this some force to get it out. So we're gonna go ahead and do that right now, and hope you guys enjoy this. And if you do, hit that like button. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead. There's also on this quarter side, there's also a bunch of these plastic pins. So we can go ahead and just take those off since we're underneath here anyway. All right, everyone, so we already got the plastic tabs underneath out, which you see right here on this table. So as you see right here, you see the top. So you got these little tabs right here. All right, so that is what you're gonna have to take off the stock one. So that's what I'm saying. You're gonna kind of have to like apply some pressure and then kind of pull the stock one off, or to get it off, so then you're gonna do the same to get this on. So there's also 2 on the side. So you got 2 on the side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the diffuser. So this is gonna be fun to take off. All right, guys. So we're actually gonna pop this little piece right here. So it looks like we should be able to pop it, so we can see if we can get access behind here, because we're just taking this lower part here. But this may be the key to help us take it off. So we're gonna try that right now. As you guys can see right there, he's just applying pressure. You use the little part that we exposed over there to kind of get that first one off. And then you can kind of see John flexing those old man muscles.
Hey, man.
Look at the detail in his face. Look at that.
That's my workout for the week.
Yeah. So yeah, you guys can see these little tabs right here. They are a pain, and you kind of just gonna have to muscle it, so to speak.
Yeah.
Get this one off first after you take off the little latch that we exposed down there, and then you can get that one off first, and then use that as leverage to take the rest of them off.
And definitely get the sides first.
Yeah, definitely
do the sides first, and if you want to show them how we were doing it.
Yeah, so the sides, you got to get underneath the car right here, and you'll look, and you'll see these tabs right here. So we just took a flat head
And applied pressure to right here.
Yep, apply pressure to the outside, pushed in, use the other finger to kind of pull it away from you.
Yeah.
And then you're able to get the sides off first. So the sides first, then take off that little latch down there, get that one, the top one down there out, and then use that leverage to take out the rest. And also when you're pulling on this from the top, keep your hands close to the one you're pulling to. You don't want to be braced down there and pulling down here. Yeah. You got to have both hands braced on the one that you're actually pulling off, because you gotta need that leverage, and you also don't want to damage your diffuser in case you ever want to put it back on. All right, guys, and also as you see what John is doing right here, he is cleaning. As you always, when you take this stuff off, just go ahead and give it a nice little wipe. I know you don't see this stuff, but it's always just satisfying to see it clean and nice. I mean, what do y'all guys think? I should just leave it like that? Diffuser delete? It's already color matched. Don't have to worry about anything.
Weight savings, bro.
All right, so right now we're gonna go ahead and put this diffuser on. You're gonna reuse the stock bottom clips. So there's 4 of those, and then the top just kind of clips in. So we're probably gonna have to go in at an angle, kind of clip it in like that, and then go to the bottom and get those put in. All right. All right, guys, as you saw right there, we just kind of clip this in, get the top pieces, and then just kind of fold it underneath. So now we're gonna go ahead and get the little plugs underneath, plug that back in. John's also putting that back in right there. So definitely take that off if you're doing this.
You can get at this clip right here.
Yeah.
So it's easier to take that diffuser off.
Yep. So now we're gonna go ahead and go underneath, put these push plugs back in, and guys, man, this thing looks good. The fitment is spot on, 100% spot on, and you get the extra M Performance fin right there. So you get 3 fins in the back. Add to that aggressiveness. Looks good. This video is being brought to you by Thickwood Industries. Please
That's right.
go buy some merch.
I'll invoice you for this filming.
This is it.
Man, that looks good, dude. Dude, that looks really good. Let's get it. Wow.
All right, guys, so we got the stock side quarters off. Now these are a pain. So underneath the car, so this is going to be for this side right here, right? So underneath the car, you want to work on this, get this tab first. So you kind of want to get like a flat head, something to push this down, push down on it, and then you got to kind of pull it out at the same time while you're pushing down, and it'll pop out. Then you'll get this one next. Once you get those two from underneath the car, you can kind of get on the outside of the car, kind of grab it from the top, and then just kind of pull it away from the car, kind of like that. And then that's how you're going to get the rest of them off. So the same philosophy, the one tab that you're working on, make sure both your hands are on that and just pull it away from the car to get it off. And then it comes right off. All right, guys, so we got the rear quarter right here. The winglet goes towards the wheel. So we're going to kind of put it on the same way we took it off. You're kind of going to slide it, get it all the way in, and then you got the tabs underneath. Ooh-wee. All right, everyone, so we moved the car over a little bit just to give us a little bit more room. But as you guys can see right here, we got the jack stand, jacking the car up. We got it angled backwards, so it gives us enough room. Because there's going to be, I think it's 6 or 7 clips underneath this black gloss piece right here that you're going to have to pull out. And then you have to actually have a plastic rivet gun in order to put them back in, which I do have. Everything will be linked down below where you can find one of your own. I got mine off Amazon, came here in like a day. Super quick, fast, easy shipping. So we're going to show you guys how to do the side skirts right now. All right, everyone, so this is the actual side skirt with the winglet, and this is the M Performance style. And I will say this carbon looks great, man. The team over at Suvneer did a great job with this carbon. Looks really, really good. So it's gonna be kind of the same method. You see you got clips on the top and then push pins on the bottom. They're actually rivets. So I actually had to buy the rivet gun, as I already told you guys. These are the rivets that you'll need that are included from Suvneer. So you'll need those actually to put this on. So outside of that, this should go really, really good. All right, everyone, so we're going to show you guys how to use the actual rivet gun. So you'll make sure you squeeze the handles. Then after you squeeze the handles, you put the rivet in there. And then you're going to put it into whatever you need to put it in. And then once you squeeze it, you see right there, it compressed. And then it sticks right in place. And these are one-time use, so if you mess up, you got to use another one. So then after you do that, so that's going to be inside the car. And then the excess, you're going to have to cut off with some flush cutters. Woo! All right, guys, so now this is the side skirt, how it's going to go on. The winglet goes towards the back wheel to match up with this winglet that's already on the car. So we're just going to grab it, put the top in, fold the bottom over, and put it right in, all right? All right, guys, so the actual side piece is in. As you guys saw right there, me and John put it on super easy. And as you guys can tell, the fitment is spot on. It's like perfect. Everything flows good, and then check out that winglet. I think I'm actually gonna like the winglets. I wasn't sure on them on first, and I was like, let's give this a shot. And I actually like them. Yeah, definitely flows with the back one. So looks really good, man.
James told me not to film this part because he already did it, but I'm gonna do it anyways. So you guys can thank me for this section of filming.
Oh man, calling me out in my own video.
Yep, calling you out, dude.
I'm gonna leave y'all go to the next video and like just comment. All right, guys, all the carbon is on. Rear quarters, diffuser, side skirts, and as you guys know, my front lip is also from Suvneer. So we got the full Suvneer carbon package, man. Everything looks really good. I'm really happy with how everything turned out. So right now we're gonna go get some pictures, go grab some cinematics, and we'll go ahead and end the video after that. All right, guys, so you can see the car in the sunlight, man. I think the diffuser is probably my favorite part. I mean, look all just the aggressiveness in the rear. The rear end just looks really aggressive right now. The winglets add a lot more aggression too. Man, it just looks really good, man. I'm really happy with everything, the way everything flows, the way everything looks in the front end. I'm telling you guys, man, you had to have the vision, you know, when you got these cars and saw them the first time. 'Cause a lot of people was hating on them, but now everybody's jumping on that bandwagon, you know. So I just like the way everything flows, man. So I'm about to grab a lot of cinematics and be out of here, man. All right, everyone, so that's gonna be today's video. I hope you enjoyed the cinematics. Hope you enjoyed all the clips that we grabbed for you guys. Definitely go check out my boy Thick Whip's channel. He just hit 100K. Definitely go leave some comments, congratulate him on that. But he helped me out with this. But you definitely can do this on your own. It's super easy, super simple. We didn't really know what we was gonna get into, but then after we went ahead and did it, we was like, man, this is pretty easy. It's pretty simple. All the fitment is A1, it's perfect. Everything will be linked down below. Special shout out again to Suvneer. Getting these shipped out to me super quick. Fitment's perfect. You definitely need these on your G80. He also has the M4 G82 parts as well. So They'll be linked down below. Everything's good. And I'm done for the day. So I'll holler at you guys later. Peace.